I'm sorry. That intro was so dramatic, but I had to. I was really feeling it. But what's up, you guys? Today we are doing a makeup and hair routine. First, we are starting out with some moisturizer on these crusty crust lips, and then we're going in with a hydrating primer. Since it's summer, we got to keep the skin hydrated. All of the products are going to be linked in the description box. I'm mainly just going to talk through technique. Next, we're going in with my favorite foundation for the summer. This has SPF in it, and this foundation actually is I don't know if it's proven, but it claims to make your skin healthier over time. I'm going in with a stippling brush and roughly putting this all over my face, just making sure there's coverage everywhere, blending it into my hairline, my ears, my neck. Got to make sure everything matches. Yeah, my face color is much different than my body color because, babe, it's called SPF. Like, I don't know what else to say. I don't let my face catch a tan. I don't let my face really see the sun all that much. So yeah, that's the color difference, but we make it work. I just go in with a darker foundation that matches my body and we're straight. Any leftover product, I just go ahead and put on my face with a beauty sponge. Even if you don't have any extra product, just make sure you blend everything out with a sponge. So I put my foundation all over my face, but then I go in with extra coverage with concealer underneath my eyes, down my nose, on my forehead just to brighten a little bit, and my chin. I had some acne on my cheeks, so I was just adding a little bit of concealer. I let my concealer sit for like 3-4 minutes before I blend it out, just so the coverage is really nice and full. Next, we're starting with my eyebrows while we wait on the concealer. I like really sharp eyebrows, like arched eyebrows, so I drag it straight across to the highest point of my eyebrow and then drag it straight back down. That's kind of my technique, and then I do the same with the top, and then I fill it in.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
To make the eyebrows look not so Sharpie-like, I like to take the spoolie on the other end and really get in there and drag out some of that product just so it kind of fades more gradually. It's kind of the ombre brow, but yeah, I don't want to call it that because isn't that like very much the old school? But this is how I like my brows. I like to clean it up with some concealer right underneath to make everything really sharp. Plus, I hate tweezing my brows, so this helps as well. All right, brows looking snatched. Now we need to go and blend out that concealer. Look at the coverage it gives, but plus it's kind of like luminous. I also put the extra concealer on my eyelids too, kind of as a primer. I never thought I was going to be a cream bronzer girl until I got this product. It's by Soul. I think it's kind of a sister company of ColourPop. You can buy it on ColourPop. But it blends like a dream, girl. Oh my god, this is the perfect summer bronzer. So I just like to put this in the hollows of my cheeks, my temple area, around my hairline, and then don't forget that double chin, girl. We're going to be snatched all summer. So just like with foundation, I apply it with a brush just to kind of place the color, and then I'll go in and hit it with a beauty sponge after, just to blend everything out really seamlessly. Okay, next we're going in with my loose powder. This is my favorite. I swear it's been around since the 1800s, but I go underneath my eyes. Really, really good in my eye creases and all of that, and then I'll hit the rest of my face with it. I need my entire face to not be dewy or wet. Like, I hate feeling like I have wet foundation on my face, so everything needs to be set. All right, I said I wasn't going to talk about products, but this product did me so dirty. It's hollow in the middle. Like, bitch, this is Marc Jacobs. This was like a $60 bronzer. But I'm going to use it up anyways. I'm just going in with a big fluffy brush. I don't get too crazy with like contour, like really chiseling out the cheeks. I think like bronzy looks so much better on me because contour can get kind of muddy. So I just bronze the hell out of my face and call it good. Since we go crazy with the bronzer, I do like to kind of define where the bronzer is, so I hit it with a little bit of setting powder right underneath to just really snatch it up. I'm not a big blush girl, but I do like this color. I only do it on the high points of my cheek though. I don't really get into the apples of my cheek because it tends to make my face look a little chunky, but yeah, just a little blush. I'm not a huge blush girl though. I haven't gotten into it. All right, this big old nose needs to be snatched too. So again, going in with dirty Marc Jacobs, and I don't know how to contour my nose, but I just hit the bottom of it, the sides of it. Oh my God, I'm terrible at these tutorials. But one thing I do know is don't go too crazy with the nose contour because out in public, in daylight, you might look crazy. But if it gets a little too crazy, I just hit it with some pressed powder just to kind of blend everything out a little bit better. Okay, using that same pressed powder that I used to blend out my nose, I am just applying that all over my eyelids. Something about my eyelids, it just eats up shadow, so starting out with a nice smooth base that's all the same color is perfect. If there's one eyeshadow palette you need in your life, it's this one, girl. I haven't put it down. I don't think I've used another eyeshadow palette since I got this. So next we're going in with this shade, and we're putting it all over the eyelids. And then we are going in with more of a transitional shade for the crease. That's all I do, nothing too crazy. I like a darker color on the eyelid just to kind of deepen the eyelid a little bit. So the same color I use on the lid, I go in on my bottom lash line. I played myself though, and I used the wrong color. I was like, oh, that's too dark. But I went in with it anyways. I just like using a darker color in my lower lash line to kind of deepen it up the same way I did with the lid. My go-to eyeliner lately has just been using eyeshadow. I love how it looks diffused and kind of smudged out and not too perfect. When I go in with liquid liner, I end up looking like Miss Amy Winehouse sometimes. So this is easy. It's a little bit more daytime appropriate while also darkening up the eyes. And I like to diffuse the eyeliner look a little bit more by taking a little smudging brush and really working it into my lash line. Okay, we gotta clean it up. I'm just using that same concealer brush that I used on my eyebrows and kind of winging it out for the perfect wing. I'm pretty messy with my makeup, so like little cleaning hacks like this really work out for me. I'm just taking a little bit more color on my crease because I'm telling you, my eyelids eat this shit up. And we're going in with Telescopic. I forgot how good this mascara is, girl. It makes my lashes look long, long. All right, eyes almost complete. When I was doing my bronzer, it kind of wiped away half of my eyebrow, so just fixing that. Next, we are gonna glue up my favorite lashes. Red Duo for life. Next, I'm gonna go in with like a luminous bronzer. I think this makes the world of a difference if you're trying to blend out your face seamlessly, have that J-Lo glow. Get yourself a luminous bronzer that matches your bronzer color. It's a game changer, girl. I forgot about how much I love this little quad. I'm going with the gold and the pink just on my highlighting sections, just to kind of blend in my blush and the bronzer, and then I go down my nose a little bit. Next, using that icy color, I go in the corner of my eyes just to open them up a bit, and then I also go on my brow bone. Morphe lip liners are hands down the best in the game. They last all day, girl. So I go in with Spiffy. It's a nice darker brown. I like a darker lip liner and a lighter lipstick color. After that, I go in with NYX London as my liquid lipstick. Also lasts all day. And then a gloss of my choice.
It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed. But if I'm next to you, I'm looking forward to just laying in this bed. It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed.
Hands down, every time I wear these lashes, I get so many questions about them. You guys need to try them out. They are volume, very big lashes. They look so good on, but they're not heavy. They have an invisible band, so they're very comfortable to wear. They're just everything. I highly recommend picking some up. If you mess up with your lower lash line mascara, just go ahead and take some eyeshadow and buff it out. It works like a charm. Okay, on to the hair tutorial. I blow dried my hair this morning, and I'm going in with a heat protectant by Moroccan Oil. Usually my hair is pretty curly, wavy, a little heat damage, a little mix of everything, but she's just big and all over the place. So I'm sectioning my hair into two and then pulling the bottom section into other two. If you have very straight hair, go in with a hair gel when your hair is wet and let it dry so it holds the curls better, but my hair holds these very well. This curling iron is old as dirt, you guys. The day it breaks down is the day I'm gonna cry. I love this curling iron so much, but if you want similar results, I would get a 5/8 inch curling iron or a 1/4 inch curling iron. Hopefully those fractions are fractioning in your head, but I'll leave all the info in the description box, and I'll also include some alternative curling irons for you guys. But I am just wrapping the hair around and changing directions every time I wrap it, but with the front pieces, I always wrap them away from my face. I think it just looks better, but it's all up to you.
I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now to keep falling apart.
I love curling my hair like this because it makes it big as hell, really fun, sexy, playful, and it's mindless. You don't got to think about a damn thing. Except for these front pieces, make sure you curl them away from your face. All right, I like to let my hair sit for like 5 minutes and just cool down so it holds the curl, and then I will just drag my fingers through it. Make it really messy. You could flip your head upside down, whatever. Shake it out. Just make it big and fun. That's what this hairstyle is about. It's not supposed to look perfect. It's supposed to look wild and sexy and like lion hair. Then I hit it with some hairspray. This hair is so fun. Let me know if you try it out. Tag me, send me a picture in the DMs. I would love to see it, but you can do so many hairstyles with this. Half up, half down. Really fun and gets the hair out of your face. Snatches up your face too. You could do one side back for more of a classy look. It's just fun. I love this hairstyle. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. I love you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.